In this video, we're going to talk about how to reverse the stationing of any survey chain. In this example, the stream bed stationing is running from the upstream to the downstream. In other words, the chain is starting upstream and the stationing starting at 0 plus 0, 0 and getting greater as it goes downstream. Now, if we look at our spreadsheet, we look at the little help button about the stream bed. It says the first point listed here should be the most upstream point on the stream bed. In other words, it should be the highest point in the stream bed. Points then should be listed in order along the stream bed from the upstream to the downstream. Now this is where the stationing, the next sentence here, the stationing along the stream bed increases as you go in the direction from downstream to upstream. Now, what's happening here is our points are in the correct order, going from 53, 54, 55, 56, and on down. So the points are correct. It's just that the stationing is incorrect. And I can show you that by when I click on the survey chain, you'll see that it has the word start right here. So that's the beginning of the survey chain. Now typically, the stationing will flow from the beginning to the end. So that's one tip. Now another thing you can do to check the stationing is actually use Civil AccuDraw. Go ahead and open up Civil AccuDraw, and I'm going to use this option of station and offset, and I'm going to select a tool that will allow me to see the station and offset information. Now, the first thing you need to do once you have that activated, you need to hit the Go button to tell it what chain you're going to try to get the stationing from. So I'm going to try to get the stationing from this stream bed here. And you can see when I get really close to that 753 point, it gets close to 0, and when I move downstream, the stationing is getting larger. Now again, on the spreadsheet, it says the stationing along the stream bed increases as you go in the direction from downstream to upstream. So the stationing on this stream bed is backwards. And so to fix that, I'm just going to hit the F4 key to flush out that tool. With survey, all you can do is simply click on the survey chain. Now, you do need to have the ability to edit the survey chain. So you don't want to modify the original survey file that survey folks created. What you want to do is copy that to your local area or local directory, and then edit that file in your local directory. And so I'm just going to click on this stream bed, and I'm going to go over to where it says transpose linear features. Okay. So when I do that, points remain where they're at, they didn't change, but the stationing now will be reversed. And if I come down to this area here and I click on that survey chain again at the bottom of the stream bed, you'll see that now start is down here at the downstream section. Now if I go back to my Civil AccuDraw, I'm going to go back to my tool. I'm going to go ahead and hit O. Select the chain. You can see now that the 0 station is downstream. The stationing is getting larger as I go upstream, just like the spreadsheet wants it. So that's all there is to reversing the stationing on any survey chain.